going to slide to your right. 1, slide 2. Okay? So your arm is just here, and this one's by your side. Slide 1, slide 2. On 3, this foot's going to come out, and your hands are going to be like you're holding a ball. Okay?
Are you recording
You're flat.
Recording.
Well, my hands are like this, on top of each other. Do left on top. Okay? So it's 5, 6, snap, 7, snap, 8. Go 1, go 2, 3, and then all you're going to do is pull it in 4. Okay? 3, 4, circle. 5, 6. Okay? So your hands are here. 3. This hand comes up to your head. Circle. 5, 6. And you look down. Okay? So let's do it from, you just went shake 3, shake 4, cross 5, shake, snap, 7, snap, 8, go 1, go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I told y'all wrong. When you go 3, 4, your hands down until you look. Okay? Alright, so from this part, 1, 2, shake 3, shake 4, 5, 6, snap, 7, snap, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? I'm just going to go ahead and teach all the rest. On 7, 8, you're going to go up on your toes. 7, down, 8.